Just look at these numbers for a second, because they're absolutely insane. There's a YouTube creator posting nothing but long, simple stick figure animations, and one of their videos is sitting at 3.8 million views. Another, 2.7 million, like it's nothing. And before you can even blink, you hop over to TikTok and boom, you're staring at short versions of sticky figure pulling 10.4 million, 9.1 million, even 11.2 million views. These aren't rare exceptions. This is happening all over the internet right now. And the wild part? These videos are crazy simple. They look like the kind of doodles we used to draw out of boredom, but people cannot stop watching them. They're addictive, they're looping, they're blowing up every platform they touch. And the creators making these stick figure clips, they're getting monetized, stacking over $10,000 per month, all from videos that take almost no money and barely any gear to produce. It sounds unreal, but it's happening every single day. Now here's where things get really exciting. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these exact viral style animations using Canva, a tool that is completely, totally free. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. You won't spend a single dollar, and your videos will look so good people will watch them all the way through. So before we jump in, hit subscribe, like the video, and get ready, because we're about to unlock one of the easiest ways to go viral in 2026. Let's get started. Step 1. Script and voiceover generation. Before we even get into animation, we need the script and the voiceover. And this part is ridiculously easy. Just take the prompt I gave you, drop it into ChatGPT, hit generate, and watch it create your entire script in seconds. The hook, the flow, the tone, everything you need without staring at a blank screen. It feels like cheating, but in the best way possible. Once your hook pops out, copy it and head straight over to ElevenLabs. Paste your script. This is where your video gets its personality. Scroll through their narrator voices, listen to a few, and pick the one that instantly matches the mood of your script. When it feels right, choose it and hit generate. And in just a moment, you'll have a clean, professional voiceover ready to download. And that's it. Your script and your voice are done. Fast, simple, and completely stress-free. Step 2. Animating your stick figures. Now that you've got your voiceover ready to go, it's time for the fun part, bringing your entire story to life with stick figure animation inside Canva. And trust me, this process is so simple, so beginner-friendly, you'll feel like you're cheating your way into professional animation. Start by opening Canva and clicking on video. Choose the horizontal format. This is the standard YouTube layout. Once your blank workspace loads, head straight to Uploads, hit Upload, and bring in the voiceover you downloaded earlier. Drag that audio down onto your timeline so it snaps right into place. If your timeline looks tiny, just expand it so you have more room to work. It'll make everything smoother. Next, we're going to build the background. Go to Elements, type in brown paper, and pick any style that fits the tone of your video. Stretch it out so it covers the entire canvas. It gives that clean, sketchbook vibe that matches stick figure stories perfectly. Now hit play on your audio and let it guide you.
Life is short.
At the very beginning of your voiceover, use that intro moment as your title scene. Click text, add your title, and type in whatever fits your opening. Then jump into animate and choose an animation style that feels dynamic. You want movement that catches the eye without being distracting. Once your title is set, it's time to bring in the stars of the show, the stick figures. Go back to Elements, search for stick figure, and you'll see hundreds of characters in different poses and styles. Pick the ones that match the scenes in your script. Maybe your script mentions life, days, time, months, whatever it calls for, Canva has a stick figure for it. Drop it into your scene, resize it to fit the background, and once again hit animate to give your character motion. A little movement instantly makes your video feel alive. Repeat this process for every line of your script. Audio cue, add a stick figure, animate, drop in text where needed, and keep building scene after scene until your whole story is filled with clean visuals, flowing motion, and stick figures that connect perfectly with your voiceover. And once everything looks right, play it back. Watch the whole clip come together like a real animated short film. It's super satisfying seeing your script, your voice, and your characters all sync up. All right, here it is. Let's watch the final result together.
Life is short, not because we're destined to leave early, but because we spend too many years living like we'll never die. Time slips quietly, days blur, months disappear, and before we realize it, the future we once imagined has become the past we regret. So today, let's talk about the truth we avoid, how you use your time determines who you become.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more tutorials.